your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today I'm going on a shopping spree with my mom for my birthday. If you haven't not known from my previous vlog, my birthday's coming up in December, not November, December, and I'm gonna go shopping with her to get supplies. And also, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now to my videos, and don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post videos. Let's get into this video right quick. I interrupt this regular scheduled program with an outfit of the day. Yes, I got my famous high top shoes, like Pumas, the ones I made before. I got my pants, you will see later on in this video. I got my black jacket on, my kind of like little corset jacket. I also got my BTS jacket right here. Yes, I layered up 2 times because I'm not gonna be freezing because it's freezing out right now. And I got my cute little, I like to say Rome, but it's more like kind of like, I don't know. Comment down below of what you would call this outfit. Would you call it like Rome, Italy, kind of like, what's this? Not bohemian, but kind of like bohemian pattern style. What would you call it? Because I would definitely pair this top with a skirt, like a long flowy skirt. Maybe like a, either a green, like an olive green skirt, or definitely like a beige skirt, because this would definitely go with that. But this is the outfit of the day. Here's the roll of the day. No, I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna do that over because I didn't like how that went. What's that? Work for it. Okay, that's the roll of the day. Everything you want to achieve, you're gonna have to work for it. You gotta put some like effort into it. So here's the word or roll of the day. Work for it. Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another vlog. And today we're in Hobby Lobby. Right now we're in Hobby Lobby. We're getting stuff for
what? Shut.
Oh, Mom's getting stuff for my birthday, and I'm with her. How this go for? Yeah. So right now I'm tagging along. Right now I'm shopping, so looking at everything.
Before calling me, ask yourself, is this Texas?
We just don't have that mouse. All these cool books. Are they filled with? Oh, they're the warm books. How do I open this? You just put something in it. I like it. Definitely should have a full book and put my money in it. Or put some secrets in it. What secrets you gotta keep? Oh, I don't know. Do you like? Mom, don't you want a unicorn birthday party? I don't like clowns. Seriously, I'm scared.
I'm gonna come out with one of these.
I leave that house so fast.
I really don't want to commit to something too much. Oh, I know.
Okay. That's a cute bag. I like this face. And this face. Oh, this is kind of cute. Can I remove? Ooh, this is cute. Oh, this is lipstick. My rolls. I'm really considering making a dream catcher, but not how this is too big. section. That's the most favorite part of going to Dollar Tree is the craft section. The craft section. They don't got this sticky thing, the thingy put on something. But we do got my glass jars where I just put stuff in it. Oh, we got cute tiny miniature fairy jars. Oh, they got cute even miniature fairy jars. They got kind of medium short ones. Got medium short ones here. Big ones, short. So cute. What's out here? I've never seen this before. Oh, they finally got vinyl here now. Sucks they don't got that one thing that used to be had before. You know how they have the sticker things, but there's the rub-on stickers? Sucks they don't got it no more. Or the ones that I like. They got these ones. A day of doing, Mom.
A day of doing.
Part 4. These hooligans.
I'm looking for these.
They got more right here. They got small ones like these, and they got miniature ones. You want some? Yeah. I don't know why I'm not pulling yet, but maybe I'll be right.
If I need them, I got them. Why is 7 of these? Did I get the little ones? I don't really need them.
But just in case you want them, we got them.
What's that down?
Vinyl, I think. They only got vinyl. They got black, yellow, and red, and green.
Oh, give me black and green.
Okay. Here's that one, red, and green.
But he like lime green.
He likes lime green more, like that color. They're so cute. Probably might take that. My favorite can't. That's not my favorite. Well, they don't have my favorite right there, but if this was blackberry, that's my favorite. They do it, yeah. This one's like blackberry.
What?
They don't have my favorite can, but they got my favorite, second favorite blackberry, cranberry.
That sounds good.
It's cold. They're starting to warm up. Me and Kim on the other day was discussing about how like
You gotta go.
me and Kim was discussing that the other day, like how his hands is hot. Well, he told me my hands were hot. I'm like, no, your hands is hot. And I throw out my face, my hands is cold. He's like, no, you're never warm. I'm like, oh. Wait, they got cranberry. Cranberry. Namaste. Home. Well, these sound good. There's this lavender and this. That's good.
Yeah, his hands are cold.
Yeah, there is a bunch of videos about the rain because rain helps grow things and it helps like have fun. It may be seem gloomy, but actually if you take the gloomy out of it, it's actually fun.
I love the rain.
Okay guys, I am back and we have a special guest. Say hi, Cutie. Oh, hello. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got from my haul from the last video or vlog to be exact. Sorry, that's my video. Okay, that's gonna annoy me. Okay, I'm feeling better, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got from my vlog and haul. So I got this for starters. I got me like a this is wolf title right here. I forgot what this name is called, but this one. I've been collecting these like for a while now. Like I have another one. It's on my backpack. I have on my backpack. See, I got these clear rose quartz. So basically I've been collecting these kind of like they're good for like a lot of things. They're good for your protection and all that stuff. I just like collecting because they're so cute crystals. I also have this ball candle from Hobby Lobby because you also see that in the video. We was at Hobby Lobby, but I already burned it. Yeah, I started burning it. But it was like a cute circle ball, and I just burned it. It smelled like citrus and coconut. But yeah, I burned it a little bit. It was very good because it burns very well. Like it started burning like lit. It started having like a big old fireball. Fireball. Next, I got these cute orange. What's this? High rise. I got high-rise ankle skinny jeans. So yeah, I got these cute jeans to go with this shirt because I really like this shirt. It was like I wanted to have like clothes that was big for me to be able like, because I needed like shirts and pants and stuff because I got rid of my last pair of clothes when I started doing my cleaning out my closet because my closet was kind of like a chaos mess. It needed to be cleansed out. So I got rid of most of my shirts, my jeans, and a little bit of my skirts. I got rid of most of my shorts. I got rid of a lot of my shorts. So that's why I went shopping to get me clothes. And I got this cute outfits patch. I'm definitely gonna share this. I'm rocking this. I probably might wear this with one of our videos that's coming up. If you're not subscribed to my family's channel, go ahead and subscribe now. I'll link it down in the description box below. Or it'll be right here at the end of the screen in these little bubbles. You can go follow her channel. You can follow Apy's channel, Sayo's channel, but also, I got this cute camouflage jeans. They are so cute. I'm like loving these because this can go like with this. See how this match with this pattern? I like trying you guys on because I don't feel like putting clothes on right now, but, well, I already got clothes on, but I don't feel like trying on clothes right now. But it's very like cute crop top that is like cute, so cute. It kind of reminds me of Rome. Not gonna lie, it kind of does. This kind of reminds me of Bali. So that's what I got for that part. I got my camouflage jeans, I got my crop top, then I got these. Oh, I got this cute dress. I was kind of debating on getting it, but I really liked how the back is and how like it's a sweetheart neckline. And I really love sweetheart necklines. If you have not known that about me, I really like sweetheart necklines. I like how cute that is, like colors, like splash colors, because I've been wanting to get into kind of like neutral, like kind of like colorful me, because my closet, my whole room is basically decorated black, gold, white, and red, sometimes gray. So, but I've been wanting to be more colorful, so that's why I got purple hair in my head. My clothes starting to get more colorful, and I got this cute little jumpsuit, not jumper, romper. I got a romper. Also got another sweetheart neckline. Tell you guys, love it. I really like this one because this is how I like the pastel colors too. I really like pastels. I really like that one. I got these cute jeans with this shirt, this like kind of like a weaving basket type pattern. And I got these, what's these? Wide leg pants. Yeah, these like right here is like kind of like bell bottoms, but not really. They're like just wide ankle, like they don't have like the hem on it, or like how like it's like a scrunch or what it's called, elastic to it at the end of the legs. It's kind of like open, and it also matches this outfit, like this shirt right here. If I zoom you guys outfit, kind of like this shirt goes with these pants. As you can see, it kind of goes with those. Oh, I also got this crop top right here. Oh, put your shirt back right here. Put your shirt back here. I got this cute black crop top. I think it goes great with these jeans, or it goes great with these black this jeans I had before. Either goes great with these camouflage jeans, or this jeans, because it kind of gives you that rockin' look. Yeah, that's why I like it. That's most what I got from the haul. Oh, I also have me a bag of Cheezos. Come with me, guys. Well, that's it for this part of the shopping part of my vlog of haul, what I got. And I'm probably gonna go drink the rest of my coffee, then make myself tea. I really been on this tea thing too. That's what I already got from shopping haul. We're gonna go make ourselves some tea after I finish my coffee. And ooh, what else I ever have? I probably might do. There's probably something else might happen in the store, so I might vlog that too. I don't know whatever happens. I'm usually go with flow if it's like not everything's gonna be planned out for this. So if everything doesn't seem like it's planned out, that's because it's not. Everything is just going with the flow motion, so that's what you're gonna do. I really like my hair though. But look at this. Oh, you guys didn't really get to see my hair. Let me keep my hair like this. As you can see. If you can't even record. If you can see, I have like a butterfly braid. You see, it's a butterfly. Probably gonna see from that far distance. I got butterfly braid on that side. Got butterfly braid on this side. If you can't see him, really, I'm about to tilt my head. I'm glad you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below the video you liked and loved. If you want to know something about it, if I left any details out, feel free to ask them down in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out. Oh, are those buns right?